7753 30th Northwest, looking at the Seattle City main, dates September 7th, 2022. This is a check-in on the line. Homeowner's getting some sewer smells. Came out to take a look at the line, make sure it was functioning properly. This is a old liner installed by another company. I'm not sure who. Looks like a permaliner. This was not Bob Oates' work. Comes back into a section of SDR35 PVC. Again, not Bob Oates' work, but after the SDR35 PVC, it comes into a 6-inch diameter new flow cure-in-place pipe liner. This was Bob Oates' work. Four-inch by 6-inch transitional point there. Back in 4-inch diameter liner. Back into the PVC here. Goes from shallow to a little deeper. Back into this PVC now. Again, or now this PVC was not installed by Bob Oates. This was previously installed. Long story short, the line is open and flowing, so this is not the cause of the smell. I'm going to do a couple more tests before we get out of here. But we're going to end the recording there.